So in today's video, we're going to be doing a Crumbl review. This week's desserts are all Easter themed, so I'm looking super forward to it. Here's a glimpse of what they look like. So starting off with this first one, this is the Spring M&M's cookie, and it is a timeless cookie bursting with colorful spring-inspired M&M candies. I am super excited about this one. So let's give it a taste. This is so delicious. This one gets a 5 out of 5 for me. It's simple, but so good. So moving on to the second dessert. This is going to be the dessert of the month, which makes me extremely excited to try it. So this is the carrot cake, and I do love carrot cake. 2 layers of carrot cake mixed with warm spices, coconut, and pineapple. It also has carrots in it. So this is completed with a light glaze of vanilla cream cheese, frosting, and topped with pecans. Wow, that is so delicious. I feel like the carrot cake is coming through strong. The cream cheese frosting is the perfect touch to this, which they usually do pair that with carrot cake, but wow. I think this one gets a 5 out of 5 as well. This one deserves to be the dessert of the month. So good. Moving on to our third dessert. So this is the candy egg brownie cookie. This sounds delicious. I am looking forward to this one, and the eggs look so cute on it. So this one is a rich brownie cookie with candy egg pieces on it and as well as in it. Wow. This is delicious. I'm gonna go for a bit with the egg. Whoa. The change in texture there. This one is definitely more on the rich side. I would probably give this a 4 out of 5. So moving on to our last and final dessert. This is strawberry tres leche cake. I am a fan of tres leche, so let's dive in. Ooh. Whoa, that is so good. Wow. This one might be my favorite out of all 4. This one I'm definitely rating a 5 out of 5. This one was my favorite out of all the 4 that I got. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for joining me on eating these yummy desserts. These were so delicious, and I will definitely be doing this again, so stay tuned.